Hey, it's Tom Z with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to talk about why investors get stuck with no deals. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. The main reason I see real estate investors drop out of the business or fail out of the business and not have any deals is that they're not doing any marketing, or they're not doing enough marketing. And usually that comes because of a fear. They're afraid of spending money on marketing. They're afraid of the investment that it takes. Look, I'm recommending that a new investor spend $300 to $500 a month on marketing. Most of that's going to get burned up in postage for your letters or your postcards. I mean, you might be able to mix in some ads, you might be able to do some other forms, because there's two types of marketing. Some marketing is going to cost a lot of money, but that tends to not take that much time. And then there's vice versa. There's things that take a lot of time but don't cost a lot of money. A good marketing plan is a combination of both. But if you have no budget and you're afraid of spending any money on your marketing, then you stay stuck and then nothing gets done. And if your marketing isn't done and done consistently, it's not going to work. So what winds up happening is when people when they haven't allocated enough of their budget to make it happen, they get into a lot of trouble and they wind up flaking out of the business, and that doesn't help anybody. Students that use my Rapid Cash Generator kit have 85 different types of marketing. 85 different types of marketing. So you've got 85 different ideas. You've got all of the templates and the letter campaigns, and they're all editable in Microsoft Word. So if you're still not getting deals, guess what? You haven't done enough work consistently to actually get the deals. You need to actually get those letters out, get those postcards out, get those door hangers out, get the flyers out. Otherwise, nothing happens. Some people say to me, Tom, I spent a lot of money on marketing and it still hasn't happened for me. It doesn't necessarily happen on your first round. And the trickiest thing is being patient until it works, particularly if you have a thin budget and you're getting nervous. Because remember, we've got to view this as a long-term play. This is not something that just happens overnight, because real estate investing done right is not a get-rich-quick scheme. When you're ready to learn exactly what you need to do in marketing to find motivated sellers so that you can flip houses for a profit, then attend my 3-day Rapid Cash Generator Implementation Bootcamp, where I dig deep into marketing. And yes, it's an implementation bootcamp, because not only are we going to discuss marketing and have you ready and prepared, you're actually going to start marketing at the bootcamp. I don't want you just being ready to go after this bootcamp. I want you already going and already in motion. You're going to hit the ground running. Actually, you're going to hit the ground sprinting from what we do at the 3-day implementation bootcamp. You are going to be marketing for and speaking to motivated sellers in your area, no matter where you are in the country. I know you'll be in Washington, D.C. for the bootcamp, but no matter where you live and where you want to invest, that's where you're going to be focusing on, and those are the sellers you're going to be talking to while you're at my 3-day bootcamp. To get registered, go to tractionrealestatementors.com/bootcamp. That's tractionrealestatementors.com/bootcamp. And I look forward to training you there. To learn marketing in depth so you know exactly what you need to be doing to find motivated sellers. Well, at least that's not too loud.